In this video, you will learn how to use the user-centric service for application investment planning. First, you need to create a new workspace. Pick the application investment planning template. Enter the name of the new workspace and select the users you want to collaborate with. If you want, you can make the workspace private, and only participants will be able to see it. When you're happy with your settings, click Create Workspace. The first page of the application investment planning template lets you add applications and assess them. You can import the applications you want to assess directly from the repository. Alternatively, you can add applications to your workspace by searching for them, or even create new ones. Following that, the application's fitness level must be evaluated by answering survey questions. You can do this yourself or delegate the task to an application expert. You will see the status change to green after the evaluation, with the overall score displayed inside the button. You may find that some of applications have already been assessed in another workspace. They will appear with a blue status and display the overall score. After adding your applications and finishing the assessment, you can advance to the next page of the template. The second page of the application investment planning template lets you see the time categorization of your applications. Gartner's time model proposes 4 investment strategies: tolerate, invest, migrate, and eliminate. A2IT will calculate the fitness score of your applications based on the survey results and place them in the appropriate investment strategy quadrant. To highlight an application in the chart, select it in the list. You can show or hide application labels. The third page of the application investment planning template contains a Kanban board where each column represents a specific investment strategy. Your applications are automatically placed in the appropriate column based on the survey results. You can drag a card to another column if you disagree with the suggested investment strategy. Open a card to show more information. If you are happy with the suggested investment strategy, you can confirm it. And that's it. You have now assessed the fitness of your application portfolio and defined an investment strategy accordingly. Finally, on the last page, you can see a summary of all the applications in the workspace. Have a look at the A2IT online help for more information.